Hi, I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, Chicagoland's original polyurethane concrete raising specialist. I'm going to go through some common questions and answers to help you navigate your project. What is concrete raising? Concrete raising is a repair process designed to address problems caused by dropped, tilted, or uneven slabs. Sunken concrete can be lifted to level uneven surfaces, correct pitch, address drainage problems, and fix step height issues at porches, steps, and stoops. We can solve these problems and more, eliminating the need to remove and replace concrete that's otherwise perfectly functional. These services have been provided for over 4 decades. However, the repair technology has advanced greatly. Concrete raising used to require large holes being drilled into your concrete. Back then, water-based slurries called mudjacking mud was pumped beneath the slabs to float them back up. The old process permanently defaced slabs and was only a temporary fix. Thanks to advancements in technology, this is no longer the case. How do we raise concrete? In simple terms, we have a 3-step process: drill, pump, patch. However, it's really not that simple. An important but sometimes undervalued step is the initial assessment, but we'll talk more about that later. We begin with state-of-the-art equipment and materials designed specifically for raising concrete. Having this equipment and material is still not enough though. Our people are the magic behind the technology. These are highly skilled technicians that have undergone an extensive training and certification process. These technicians begin the repair process by drilling small, dime-sized injection holes in strategically placed locations. Then, we select a polyurethane material suitable for the application and inject it through the holes to beneath the slabs. The polyurethane spreads out in all directions, filling voids, and lifts the concrete back to its proper grade and pitch. Finally, we patch the small injection holes with cement, which blend in nicely over time. Your concrete is ready for immediate, unrestricted use. What types of concrete can be raised? Chances are, if it's concrete and it's sunk, we can raise it. The most common types of exterior projects tend to involve sidewalks, driveways, and patios. We also raise a lot of porches, steps, and stoops. Pool decks and sheds are also routinely raised. For us, interior work typically includes floors inside commercial offices, warehouses, industrial buildings, and shops. We also routinely lift garage and basement floors. You should never assume your concrete is too large, thick, or heavy to be raised. Call us. With our technology, size and weight do not typically pose a problem. Even if your concrete is cracked, chances are we can save it. In fact, if someone tells you your concrete can't be raised, we hope you call us anyway. Concrete raising is our specialty. It's all we do. We raise a lot of concrete that others said couldn't be raised. What types of companies provide this service? Well, I have good news and I have bad news. This is truly the good, the bad, and the ugly. The good news is the answer is simple. Call a true concrete raising specialist. The bad news is there are companies offering these services claiming to be specialists that are not, well, specialists. Examples of these multi-purpose companies include waterproofing and concrete coating businesses that now include concrete raising as an additional service. Here's an analogy of what I'm really getting at here. Imagine opening a lock with a Swiss Army knife. The Swiss Army knife will, one way or another, get the lock open. However, what you really needed was a key. While the Swiss Army knife is multi-purpose, only the key provides the precision and perfect fit needed for the job. A true concrete raising specialist is your key to a successful project, which brings me back to a prior topic, assessing projects. Multi-purpose companies typically rely on salespeople to perform estimates. They show up looking to sell you any number of services and are most likely not experts at raising concrete. This can lead you down a path full of frustration and disappointment. This is why it is so important to have certified technicians, not salespeople, evaluate your sunken concrete. Our estimators have the hands-on experience of raising thousands of slabs. This level of expertise is key to your project not only starting on the right foot, but ending with the satisfaction of a job well done. What are the limitations of raising concrete? Too many broken joints and cracks can mean you're better off with replacement. If the area surrounding your concrete has severely eroded, regrading combined with concrete replacement might be in your best interest. If your concrete has shifted to the side or is sliding down a slope, concrete raising may not be able to put it back. Our technology is really good at pushing slabs up, but the ability to adjust slabs side to side is very limited. If your concrete doesn't drain properly and hasn't settled much, the problem may be more with its original construction than the settlement. In these cases, raising might not fix the problem. We find the technology suitable for about 90% of the projects we evaluate. We believe other solutions to be in the best interest of owners for the remaining 10%. It's always important to realistically look at the cost versus reward when considering a repair. How long does it last? Current technology is very effective in combating sunken concrete if the technology is correctly applied. Polyurethane is routinely used and required for many highway, tollway, and large infrastructure projects. When properly applied, this material will not erode, crack, or change shape to any significant degree for literally decades. However, simply raising a slab does not dictate how long it will last. It is important to ensure the areas surrounding your concrete properly drain water away from slabs. With proper drainage, the key to a long-lasting repair is having the slab properly supported with polyurethane once it reaches the desired grade and pitch. This requires more skill than you might think, and it's the difference between a repair that will stand the test of time and one that won't. When having your concrete professionally raised, you should receive a written warranty that protects your investment for more than 5 years. We hope to have provided some insight and invite you to check out more of our content. We have hundreds of videos, and we're confident you can find one of us raising concrete very similar to your project. Thanks for watching.